Before you can attach the hook-on chair to the table, you will need to ensure the seat frame is completely opened. At the back of the seat frame, locate the cinch strap release. Pull forward on the bottom orange lever and pull down on the top silver button. Pull up the top edge of the seat frame. This will open the seat frame completely and allow it to be properly attached to the table. Slide the hook-on chair onto the tabletop. Make sure the lower arms are folded downwards and below the tabletop. Rotate both lower arms up until they click into an upright position. Check to make sure both lower arms are fully rotated up and the feet are firmly contacting the bottom of the table. If the underside of your table has an apron, make sure the lower legs are completely over it before securing. To secure the hook-on chair to the table, pull up on the cinch strap. If the chair is securely fastened, you should not be able to move the chair by pushing on it. Check to make sure there is not a gap between the front of the hook-on chair and the edge of the tabletop. Tuck the cinch strap under the fabric. Your hook-on chair is now ready for use. To release the hook-on chair from the table, pull forward on the bottom orange lever and pull down on the top silver button, then pull up on the edge of the seat frame. Now rotate the lower arms down and slide the hook-on chair off the tabletop.